High atop the oxygen-thin Tibetan Plateau, where vast herds of yaks roam the frozen slopes of the Himalayas, deep within the remote Himalayan Mountains, modern processing facilities transform livestock into essential food products, combining advanced technology into precision-carved protein. Nomadic heritage meets modern machinery in an extreme environment. This isn't your typical factory farm. This is survival at the very edge of the world. Look at the deep purple hue of this lean meat, harvested from animals thriving in sub-zero winds. We're tracking the entire journey, from high-altitude grazing to the sterile, high-tech carving lines. What happens when ancient nomadic traditions collide with 21st century hygiene standards? We scaled the remote Himalayas to document this massive operation, turning semi-wild herds into a global protein source. From freezing mountain slopes to industrial precision, this is the hidden machinery of the mountains. Witness the grueling reality of nomadic life, where herders manage semi-wild herds in sub-zero temperatures. Their faces, weathered by relentless winds, tell stories of resilience against nature's raw power. Massive yaks move through deep snow, their powerful forms barely visible through the swirling mist. Another herder, bundled in furs, uses long staffs to gently steer the herd along a narrow path. Every step is a battle against the elements, in temperatures where survival demands utmost vigilance. The herder pauses, scanning the horizon, making a crucial decision about the herd's direction. Close-up on a yak's thick, shaggy fur, matted with ice, showcasing its incredible adaptation to the cold. With practiced eyes, a herder identifies prime yaks for their journey, assessing each animal carefully. A selected yak is gently separated from the main herd, guided by subtle cues, not force. Herders gather, discussing the chosen animals, their gestures conveying generations of wisdom and knowledge. They observe each yak closely, feeling their coats, checking their muscle tone with experienced hands, identifying qualities that ensure the highest yield and best meat, honed over centuries of practice. A simple rope, a specific call, traditional methods for marking and guiding their chosen livestock. The yaks transition from open range to a temporary collection point, awaiting their next stage. Within the enclosure, yaks huddle, their breath visible, awaiting the challenging journey ahead. The arduous journey begins as yaks are led across treacherous mountain passes towards the industrial valley. The landscape itself becomes an obstacle, with sheer drops and unpredictable ice underfoot. Herders lead, their intimate knowledge of these mountains proving invaluable at every dangerous turn. Close up on a yak's broad hooves, finding purchase on slick rock and ice, demonstrating natural agility. The low sun casts long shadows, painting the icy peaks in gold and purple, a breathtaking, harsh beauty. Despite the gradient and fatigue, the yaks move slowly but steadily, their instinct guiding them forward. The vastness of the landscape emphasizes the immense logistical challenge of this ancient migration. Finally, the valley appears, hinting at the modern world, a contrast to their traditional existence. Yaks are guided into the plant's secured perimeter, marking the end of their high-altitude journey. Step inside this state-of-the-art facility, a sterile oasis amidst the rugged Himalayan terrain. The stark contrast, harsh mountain winds replaced by filtered air, dust by clinical precision. Automated gates silently open, welcoming the yaks into a controlled, safe environment. Inside, a maze of stainless steel, hygienic surfaces, reflecting bright, even lighting. Workers move with purpose, clad in pristine, sterilized uniforms, upholding strict hygiene protocols. Automated systems guide initial processes, minimizing human contact and ensuring consistency. Close-up on advanced ventilation systems, quietly ensuring absolute air purity throughout the facility. Meet the specialized workforce, bridging ancient pastoral knowledge with modern food safety certifications. A training session. Workers view screens displaying international safety regulations, learning new protocols. Their hands, once skilled with ropes and staffs, now expertly handle precise scientific equipment. A supervisor demonstrates proper sanitation techniques, emphasizing meticulous attention to detail. Close-up on a worker's badge, proudly displaying 2026 food safety certifications, a mark of global standards. A diverse team, united by purpose, works seamlessly, blending their unique skills for efficiency. An experienced supervisor oversees operations, ensuring every stage meets rigorous quality benchmarks. Discussions among workers, problem-solving minor issues quickly, maintaining continuous workflow. Yaks enter a calm, well-lit intake area, designed to minimize stress and maximize comfort. Gentle guiding systems, without harsh prods, ensure a smooth, fear-free transition for each animal. Close-up on a sensor, subtly detecting the animal's heart rate, ensuring minimal adrenaline release. An automated gate softly closes behind the yak, securing its position for the next inspection stage. Each yak stands calmly in its individual holding pen, spacious and clean, awaiting veterinary checks. A veterinarian performs a gentle, thorough check, ensuring each yak is healthy and unstressed. Signs of minimal stress, relaxed posture, slow breathing, confirming humane handling throughout. Fresh water and high-quality feed are readily available, providing comfort before the next stage. The smooth transition to the next stage maintains their calm, vital for preserving meat quality. A pristine conveyor belt carries the prepared carcass, gleaming under bright, sterile lights. Skilled workers, with razor-sharp knives, begin the intricate process of precision carving. Close-up on the deep purple meat, revealing its lean texture, a testament to high-altitude life. The carcass is meticulously broken down into primary sections, each step carefully measured. A worker uses a specialized electric saw, effortlessly cutting through bone with speed and accuracy. Surgical accuracy defines the process, ensuring minimal waste and maximum value from each animal. Different cuts, each with its own specific value, are carefully separated and prepared for packaging. An advanced tracking system assigns a unique ID to each cut, ensuring complete traceability. Close-up on the steady, experienced hand of an expert carver, performing the final, intricate trims. Final primary cuts are laid out, organized neatly, showcasing the rich yield from each yak. A scientist in a lab coat meticulously examines yak meat samples, studying its unique composition. A microscopic view reveals dense muscle fibers, perfectly adapted to the thin, oxygen-poor air. The lean nutritional profile of yak meat, rich in protein and essential nutrients, is unparalleled. A chart vividly illustrates its superior health benefits compared to other red meats. This adaptation to the extreme high-altitude environment is why yak meat is uniquely robust. The distinctive dark color and rich quality are direct results of their life on the plateau. Various cuts are meticulously packaged, sealed, and labeled, ready for their journey worldwide. Each package is carefully arranged on trays, prepared for rapid blast freezing to lock in freshness. The massive blast freezer door slides open, releasing a cloud of icy mist, revealing extreme cold. Trays laden with yak meat smoothly enter the blast freezer, beginning the rapid cooling process. Inside, powerful fans circulate air at sub-zero temperatures, freezing the meat in mere moments. A digital display shows temperatures plummeting rapidly, ensuring optimal preservation. This blast freezing technology instantly captures the peak freshness of the product at the source. Frozen, pristine blocks of yak meat emerge, perfectly preserved and ready for long-term storage. Workers, wearing thick insulated gloves, carefully handle the frozen packages, preparing them for transport. Ready for storage or direct transport, preserving vital nutrients until reaching global markets. In stark contrast, a nomadic family practices traditional sun-drying of yak meat under the open sky. Close-up on the rich, dark texture of traditionally sun-dried meat. A time-honored preservation method. This age-old technique versus the factory's modern, high-output vacuum sealing lines. Inside the plant, a worker operates a sophisticated vacuum sealing machine, ensuring airtight packaging. Packages are sealed with remarkable speed, preserving freshness and extending shelf life significantly. Automation streamlines the sealing process, guaranteeing consistent quality across vast quantities. Stacks of vacuum-sealed packages, neatly organized, await distribution to far-flung markets. A lab technician meticulously performs a battery of tests on meat samples, ensuring safety and quality. Close-up on petri dishes, revealing cultures meticulously monitored for any microbial growth or contaminants. Data streams onto computer screens, analyzing nutrient content, purity, and environmental impact. Workers check temperature sensors throughout the plant, maintaining optimal conditions at every stage. Close-up on certification documents, prominently displaying 2026 global food safety standards achieved. These rigorous protocols meet global export requirements, opening markets across continents. Adherence to organic trade requirements ensures a premium product for discerning consumers worldwide. Meticulous checks at every point guarantee uncompromised quality, from mountain to plate. Waste is eliminated. Tough hides are processed by large machines, repurposed for various industries. Bones are transformed into medicinal extracts and nutritional supplements, leaving nothing to waste. Other byproducts are sorted and prepared for diverse uses, ensuring a truly sustainable operation. Close-up on a container of fine bone meal, ready for agricultural use, completing the circular process. Every part of the animal is utilized, a testament to efficiency and profound respect for life. Workers inspect processed hides, now transformed into valuable raw material for various crafts. This circular economy model ensures minimal environmental impact, maximizing resource value sustainably. Final packaged goods are loaded onto heavy-duty transport trucks, ready for their descent. The trucks rumble away from the plant, beginning their journey down winding mountain roads. Inside, a conveyor belt continuously delivers boxes to the loading dock, a seamless operation. Close-up on branded packaging, proudly displaying its Himalayan origin and sustainable sourcing. The trucks disappear into the vast distance, carrying a vital protein source to high-altitude urban centers. Nomadic families now receive fair payment, directly linking their heritage to the global economy. Improved living conditions are evident, providing new opportunities while preserving their unique culture. A delicate balance, preserving a 1,000-year-old way of life with the necessity of modern food security.